Wow. Look at the front. Next level of possibility. I cut it.
Nuna DEMI Next. Because we want a big stroller.
Yes. Kids.
Exactly. Yay! Woohoo! So exciting.
Whoa.
Next level
massive.
possibilities.
Next possibilities.
Wow.
Wow. Another box in
And
the
more
box.
cardboard.
Nothing inside.
Okay, lift it up, turn it up, hurry up, hurry up.
Whoa, this is sick. What's this? Oh my god.
Ooh!
Ooh.
Ah!
Jeez.
Oh wow.
Wow.
How is that nice?
Yeah.
Is it heavy?
No.
Take off all the pieces. I need to make sure that I can fit.
For you, it is not heavy, but for me, it is.
No, because you go to the gym. Get stronger.
That looks nice.
It's too much.
Wow.
You can take it from here.
Wow, that's nice.
That's so nice.
Wait, you just gotta flip it. Love, you're dropping everything. It's the rider board.
Oh, that's sick.
Comes with it, yeah.
Rider board. Very cool. Very nice. Oh my god, this is nasty. Cool.
Is that safe?
You can easily put a second kid down there.
Swap in.
This is so good.
Now you can have
This
two
is such a
kids.
pretty double stroller.
Excuse me, you didn't even finish one yet.
But compared to the big double one you had it side by side.
Yeah, I
with
used
the
to have
kid
it.
for the
Yeah.
twins.
Yes, that's the one walking with that today. This is
Wow.
better.
This is tall. She's gonna be like, you know. See,
Arjan, look at this.
Arjun, look.
These guys are excited.
Wow. Yeah, so like the speed is 10%.
And then putting her in here.
Try it over there.
Ooh.
The rider.
Like actually though, there's actually a stroller, like no bullshit, there's actually a stroller.
Yeah. Well, I'm not putting my kid in
I
that.
did that. That's good.
Why would I put my kid in that?
Facts.
Oh wait.
Look at this.
Okay, let me turn this.
The same wheel that we have upstairs over there in the garage.
This is big. I love it.
Right?
You'll understand. When you have little Arjun.
Okay, how many more video?
I'm trying to figure out how to put this in.
You have to use the manual.
That's pretty sick. Ready?
It's pretty. It's leather.
It's like a holder.
That's a cup holder.
I'm gonna have to put the cup holder thing on there.
And then you put the second one down there. The second kid.
Oh, that part you guys are not buying that anymore.
Oh.
Try just pulling the bar.
The middle.
No.
Okay, look, where's the manual?
Oh, facts. There's that.
Right there behind you.
Hmm?
I actually thought this was a lot bigger. It actually doesn't look as canopy on there. Put it back.
Okay. This is so pretty.
Fold the canopy and rotate the storage latch out.
How many pieces?
I like how that just clicks in place. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Press the secondary lock and pull up the folding button.
Wow.
Secondary lock is this lock. This is the lock. This button. Right here.
Yeah, what about it?
And pull up the folding button. Rotate the handle down and make sure the storage latch is closed on the stroller frame.
Oh,
There we go.
that's it. Just gotta put it down.
Okay.
See, I saw this on TikTok.
Yeah.
I knew it. I knew it was wrong.
Oh, the baby!
Support down for a more
This
compact.
baby, I was.
You have to hold the half support. So wait, before you do that, do it again. Open it
Oh,
up.
this.
No, open it up.
Sorry, Emily. Sorry.
The baby's dead. The baby! What happened to the baby?
No, this
my god.
Cool. Oh. Yeah. Hold on.
Take
I'm
it.
trying to figure out how to put the.
Put the baby in there.
Nothing else in here?
Put the baby.
Yeah, where's your baby one?
No, the bear is okay.
Show. I want to know how to put this folding. Realistically, it's gonna be this.
Manufacturer warranty is 1 year.
Do this.
Use it. ChatGPT. Wait. Hello.
Put it down. And this thing. So I don't want
What's
anything
that?
to beat her at all.
Oh my gosh. I used to put something in there like a plastic. I have to buy a plastic. Oh, be careful. Maybe you still have some stuff in there.
Goes
Okay.
around like that. Oh, what? How does this go around?
All the pieces.
Oh, this is my bag.
Oh, that's magnetic. Magnetic.
How?
That is it.
Where?
It is magnetic.
Yeah.
How does it go around?
No.
Where's the magnetic part? There's no
Maybe it's
magnetic
under
part.
tape. Maybe it's on here.
No?
Excuse me.
I think it just doesn't.
I think the black one is good.
Yeah, black is fine.
Yeah, so it doesn't get dirty.
Yeah, it's hard to get it dirty.
It's not going. What? It's not a good one?
How do you do this? That's easy.
Huh? I'm confused.
How do you lock it? Wait.
Okay.
The strollers lock, and then you press these two buttons, and you pull this part of it,
And then you
and then you push
that.
down.
And that's it.
Mm.
But I can't lift it. It's too heavy right now.
And then to unlock it, we just had to figure that out. That was a fluke.
That was good.
Just kidding. It's gonna tilt it down.
Mm.
I knew it.
Wow, so easy. Easy peasy, so lemon squeezy.
Now do fast. Go. The race car. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you just have to press it all
5
together.
seconds. That's to unlock it now. You have to tilt it to unlock it. That's what I realized. No, tilt it towards you. Yes.
Oh,
So
totally.
easy.
Right?
That's really easy.
So you just need.
It, you know?
No, it
Like
doesn't.
it's,
It doesn't look like no. Sometimes it'll really bulky.
yeah, it's not that bulky.
It's not.
I like it.
Looks. It's
Okay, so pick up the stuff. I want to try to put this.
Maybe this would be like.
It has a 5-position recline and a
What? This is so sick. Yeah, put it in the trunk.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.